and conveniently nestled in the beautiful tree-lined neighborhood of Bauhinia Drive. It is centrally located and very accessible to major vital centers where everything is nearby and within easy reach, including, of course, major educational institutions, commercial and business centers. As you well know, the Cebu ID Park is literally just a stone's throw away from the property. Of course, we also have various medical facilities that are situated nearby, as well as recreational and wellness facilities that make it convenient for potential residents of Siam Bauhinia residences. Now, I will be showing you some beautiful renders of the property, providing you an idea of the general look and feel of what the property will offer, as well as those of the amenities. This is the artist rendition of the driveway that welcomes residents. And of course, the next slide, I think you've seen it earlier. This is the elegantly designed indoor lounge to accommodate and welcome guests. So what makes the development unique is that Siam Bauhinia Residences offers two unique residential living concepts in one property. This product concept is a first for any Siam Properties development and the first time for Cebu as well. Siam Bauhinia Residences, so there are two types of products. We have the Siam Bauhinia Residences. These are conveniently located at the low to the mid-zone floors, offering very intimate studio, 1 and 2 bedroom configurations at the main tower with full access to the Bauhinia podium amenities. Now, if we go to the next one, of course, the Siam Bauhinia Signature, which was mentioned earlier, these units cater to potential residents looking for bigger, more spacious, and exclusive living spaces at the high zone floors with private access to the Signature Lounge amenities. So there will be two sets of amenities, but one is only accessible to the Siam Bauhinia Signature buyers. And at the heart of Siam Bauhinia Residences will be its expansive amenities, taking up 3,800 square meters of combined indoor and outdoor amenities. It will offer one of the best private, social, and wellness offerings for residents at a scale and scope never before seen in Cebu. So this is something to really watch out for. Amenities will include the lush tropical pool, gardenscapes, world-class fitness and wellness facilities catering to different lifestyles. Also being offered are flexible co-working spaces and meticulously designed private dining rooms and function spaces. So exclusively for residents of the Siam Bauhinia Signature units, of course you've seen this earlier, this will be part of our rooftop amenities featuring a sky pool, also an indoor lounge and outdoor spaces, gym, sauna, and intimate private entertainment venues attuned to the discerning taste of its signature residents. So at Siam Bauhinia Residences, you will experience luxury in full bloom. Now what we will be showing you will be the different unit types for Siam Bauhinia Residences. These are the premium units. So as mentioned, we are offering flexible spaces catering to the different needs of the market. So for the very intimately designed studio unit, so what I'll be showing you are actually renders and the artist rendition of how the units will look like, especially when we open our sales gallery and show suites next year at Cebu Business Park. So these are just examples of what you will see there. These are samples of the dressed up studio unit, which I said is at around 35 square meter, whereas our 1 bedroom units, and that will be an average of 55 square meter, but with a range of 51 to 64 square meter. Just very much, this is very much a popular size for 1 bedroom units. And we are also offering a 2 bedroom unit configuration that starts at 96 square meter to 104 square meter. So as you can see, in terms of the design, very well laid out. This will give you an idea of how you can also design your unit in case you purchase a property at the Siam Bohemia Residences. So these are the premium units. Now we move to the Siam Bohemia Signature Unit. So as I mentioned, for the more probably discerning market who prefer privacy and greater exclusivity, we are offering the signature units that start at a 2-bedroom signature. So there are only like 3 2-bedroom signature in a signature floor with a size of 110 to 124 square meters. So since the signature units are at the topmost level of the floor, you can really enjoy the panoramic views of the city. Either you will have a view of the for all of the units at the signature floors, not just for the 2-bedroom units, you will have panoramic views of either, well, the golf course, that's one, if it's facing east, or the Mactan Channel, or the cityscape where you see the Cebu IT Park. So, because these are situated at the topmost floors, definitely potential buyers for the signature units will really have great views of Cebu. Okay, so this is the signature 3-bedroom unit. In terms of size, we're offering the 3-bedroom signature unit that starts at 188 square meter to 220 square meter. Very much fitting maybe for a young family or families with 2 or 3 kids who would like expansive spaces in their condominium unit. So these again are just some of the artist rendition. So by next year, once we open the sales gallery at Cebu Business Park, we will have a few model units where you will see some of these exciting renderings. So that is really something to look forward to. As they say at Siam Properties, it's all in the details. We always bring together a team of world-class artisans, designers, and architects that will breathe life in each of our unique developments. And of course, one of our unique selling proposition is also our facilities and services management, which is run by our own property management firm, Siam Properties Management Services. So for Siam Bohemia Residences, it follows our usual curated management service. And to top it off, at least for Siam Bohemia, we will offer, in terms of building feature, we will offer 100% backup power for both the common areas and the residential units. So we know what it's like here in Cebu, you know, the weather is different. So we want to make sure that we are able to customize also our services that are befitting of the market. Okay, so this is just a sneak preview actually of the Siam Bohemia Residences presentation. Soon we'll have a private selling event where we will be showing you more details, so watch out for that soon. So thank you very much and have a good afternoon, everyone. Thank you.